About a breakfast hot dog, because that's what we're making here at the Young's house, and I am so excited to show you all this recipe. I seen a lady making it and I said, bet. That's what I said, bet I'm making one because it looks so delicious. And instead of using hot dogs, I'm using sausages, y'all. I am so excited for this. I have never in all of my years of cooking and eating had a breakfast hot dog, but today we're making it, and this recipe is gonna be fun. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need just some sausages, right? Your favorite smoked sausages. It doesn't have to be the kind that I'm using or even a hot dog. Okay, so I love, my household loves Eckrich smoked sausage. So that's what I'm using. We got some beautiful fresh eggs here we're gonna be using. And I have some hot dog buns that I'm gonna steam. I'm gonna get them real nice and soft. And here's the thing, when it comes to the hot dog buns, if you like to toast yours, you can do that as well, okay? And I got a nice, beautiful, sweet Vidalia onion. Make sure it's a sweet Vidalia onion. Your favorite cheese. I'm using yellow American. I thought about putting some sharp cheddar, some shredded sharp cheddar, but I think I want it to be this cheese. In my pan here, there's a little bit of oil. I'll be using some butter, and I got some spices to make everything come together and taste good. Just salt and pepper, and then we're gonna use a little bit of parsley flakes to garnish everything. Make sure your hands are clean. We're making a breakfast hot dog. I hope you all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. I can definitely see this recipe going over very well for breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, and a snack. Yes, I can. I know it's a lot of you that are just like me, where you can have breakfast any time of the day, even for dinner, right? Breakfast is the best. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take these smoked sausages and we're gonna cut them in half like this, because I'm doing 4 of them today, all right, or your hot dog. And we're gonna just cut it like this, not all the way through, because we don't want to make it into 2, but if yours falls apart, it'll be fine. Okay, so just like this, we're gonna put it into an oil pan, and we want to get a nice char onto it. When you get a nice char onto your sausage or your hot dog, it just tastes that much better. Really, it does. It's not burnt. It's really called charred, and that's how I like mine. Don't give me a grilled hot dog or a sausage that don't have some good char to it, because it don't taste good. All right, so that's what we're getting ready to do right now. We're gonna cut some nice fresh onion, and this onion is gonna go onto our breakfast sandwich raw. Now, I guess if there's gonna be some people out there that wanted to saute it, you could, but I'm going to suggest that you put it on there raw. A nice sweet onion, the way the lady did that I saw make this. Oh my goodness, when I tell you I was absolutely drooling, I think that's what you all are gonna be doing too. Your stomach's gonna be rumbling. You're gonna definitely want this. And it didn't cost me anything to make this recipe. Like, all of these ingredients except for the hot dog buns was already here. It was gorgeous outside. It is so gorgeous. I ain't gonna worry about that fox that's around my house. I'm gonna get in the gazebo and he cannot get in there. I guess it's like a fox family. I don't know. Cause seeing that fox, the fox that I seen the other day, he was little tiny. I mean, he wasn't too tiny, but you know, he's about this big. But the one that scaled my fence, I mean, I'm talking about that one. He was big. He looked like a coyote, y'all. I'm telling you. Ooh, but I'm still going outside. I ain't letting nothing stop me. You hear me? I'm gonna enjoy that. Go ahead and crack some eggs. All right, I got some nice, beautiful, fresh, large eggs here. Is there anybody that when you crack your egg, you take the shell? Be honest, I need y'all to tell the truth now. Do you take the shell and put it back into the egg container? I used to have that habit, but I'm trying to get away from doing that, and so that's why I'm putting it onto this paper towel. I'm just gonna toss it. Sometimes I'll do that, and I don't know where I developed that habit, but it's not a good habit to have, right? No, it's not. These eggshells in the trash where they belong. Take and whisk some good air into our eggs, making sure that the eggs are well incorporated. You know, when it's not well incorporated, you'll see them little white pieces going throughout your egg. And it's really just the white part, you know, of the egg that you didn't mix well. You don't need milk. You don't need heavy cream. You don't need a little extra water in here. All you need to make your eggs nice and fluffy, if you're wanting to do that, is a soft spatula. We're not using a fork and making little teeny tiny pieces. We want a fluffy, I was trying to say a fluffy yellow egg. That's what you want. You want it to be fluffy like a pillow. Check in on our sausages. I'm hoping it's got some nice char onto it. Oh yeah. And it does. That's exactly what I'm wanting. But I even want the char. Look at that. I want the char to get everywhere on it. Oh my goodness. Yes, it smells so good. These are done. Let's go ahead and put some butter in here. Once this butter gets nice and melty and kind of frothy, we're going to put our eggs in. And I'm going to cook these eggs at a low heat because I don't want brown on them. And I don't salt them too early. Salting the eggs too early, believe it or not, salt draws water out of things. And it gives the eggs a completely different texture. So what do? I salt the eggs at the last minute, right when I'm getting ready to turn the pan off. That's the perfect time to salt the eggs. Do it. Who's excited for breakfast hot dogs? I want to hear from everybody. And I want to hear from you if you're going to try this recipe. These sausages, I could eat that sausage like that. Just throw me a little bit of mustard on and just throw it back. Just like that. I love Eckrich smoked sausage. The pulling technique that I like to do with my soft spatula. I literally take the soft spatula and I'm pushing that cooked egg to the middle of the pan. And that's how it creates a nice, softy, pillowy cloud of an egg, right? You're pushing the cooked egg to the middle. You let the raw egg draw to the outside, and we keep doing that. We're not going to stir it around in the pan. That's a good way to scratch your pan and not have fluffy eggs, right? So we're going to keep doing this until eventually we can flip this over. For the fluffy eggs. Oh my goodness, yes, I'm all excited. A little bit of black pepper. Not everybody likes pepper on their eggs. Some people don't like the little black flecks. If you're like that, just put you some white pepper, right? So now I'm gonna put some salt, just a tiny bit, and honestly, if you can't use it, leave it out, it'll be okay. Gorgeous. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna load these eggs with yellow American cheese right on the top. I'm not even gonna mix it in. Watch this. I'm just gonna let it melt down into the eggs just like so. Let's make our breakfast hot dogs. I had to reheat these up, so we're just gonna set our sausages or your hot dogs, whichever you're gonna choose. Let me know which one you're gonna choose, because I wanna know. I have to know. Look at that. Make sure you cut it down the middle. Don't just grill it whole, because it's not gonna give what it's supposed to be given, right? Here we go. Into the bun, and guess what I did? I steamed the bun in the microwave, and so it's nice and soft. You hear me? The cheese is melted on top of the eggs. Watch this. I know. Oh, baby, I know. Trust me, I know. Oh, my goodness. Are you kidding me? Yeah, pile it on, just like this. Finish this one. Whose stomach is a rumbling? Whose mouth is watering? Let me know, be honest. You have to. Here's how you're going to finish it off. Fresh sweet onion, only a Vidalia onion. Oh my goodness. Enjoy. To me, I know. If you enjoyed this here video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina Young's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, on today, I thank you. Oh, I thank you for this meal. I thank you for your hedge of protection, your mighty love. I thank you for your mercy and your understanding. Father, I thank you for what you've always done my whole life. And I thank you for what you're getting ready to do. Amen. Stay tuned, because we're going to taste this together.